Nifty on fire, bulls charge towards new highs in a thrilling market surge. In early action, GIFT Nifty is zooming higher, indicating a bullish positive start for benchmark Nifty. The positive takeaway from yesterday's session was that bulls regrouped at lower levels. Honestly speaking, Nifty's resilience preserves its recovery momentum. We suspect bulls will again aim towards Nifty's its all-time high at 23,667 mark. The improving risk mood shall make it difficult for the bears to step in. The next big economic event occurs this Friday, 28 June, when the May US Personal Consumption and Expenditures (PCE) price index will be released. This is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation that tracks consumer spending. US GDP figures for March quarter will trickle in on Thursday, 27 June. Back at home, the fiscal deficit and infrastructure output for May will be announced on Friday, 28 June. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, both FIIs and DIIs were net sellers to the tune of Rs 654 crores and 820 crores respectively. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. FANO June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,700 to 24,000 zone. India VIX has shot up towards 14.05 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th June, is at 1.04 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 26th June, is at 1.22. Nifty outlook, Nifty may consolidate its gains. Nifty, CMP to 3537. Key support on Nifty is placed only at 23,371 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 23,667 mark. Range for the day is between 23450 and 23700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 51704. Interweek support is placed at 51,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,100 mark. Range for the day is between 51,405 to 400. Bias for the day is neutral positive. Honestly speaking, whether the bull market at Dalal Street strengthens or fades away in rest of 2024 depends on two catalysts. 1. FM Nirmala Sitharaman's 7th consecutive union budget. 2. Will the Federal Reserve turn dovish on backdrop of easing inflation and continuation of momentum in economic growth in the US? Bullish traders badly need a combination of a taxpayer-friendly tax regime, which sets the tone for a $5 trillion Indian economy and, most importantly, a dovish Federal Reserve. This would allow more confidence in corporate India's earnings growth turning higher, which of course is at the heart of stock performance. Volatility is also likely to be high given the expiry of June derivative contracts on Thursday, 27 June. The primary market will be in action as a total of 10 IPOs are set to hit Dalal Street this week, with Allied Blenders and Distillers IPO opens for subscription on Tuesday, 25 June.